Hi guys, welcome back with me, Lord Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learn Excel. Now we're going to learn about custom number format in Microsoft Excel. To access custom number format, you could select the cell you want to change the number format. Usually you change in home and then you select the number format you want, like currency or something, and then you edit the decimal point and percent and stuff. You edit in here, but there's actually another way to edit it, especially if you want to show the number in a different format. Select the cell you want to change and then right click and then select format cell, and you will see here the list. Number, currency, accounting, this is the number format that you could use, and we're going to use custom. Separator thing, you could use a lot of things like this. These have comma behind it, but you could always remove that by deleting this. That's just the example. This is, like I said, a separator that like number by thousands. But what if you want to use the same number but in thousand? To use it, you just put this crash point crash. This is the regular stuff that we show, and add one dot after the crash. So like this. If we delete this, you could see the example here. It's gonna show the real number. Add one, and it's gonna be a thousands. Add two, and it's gonna be in million, and add three, and it's gonna be on billion. So that's how you do it. So yeah, this is to show number in thousand, show number in million, show number in billion. And how about decimal point? Decimal point, like I said before, use this thing after you show crash point, crash, crash, crash. You add a little comma and then crash, 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 crash. And that's how you show decimal point. This is the number. And you could also use this thing. The difference is you use question mark after the comma. The difference is that you're gonna add like a blank cell here, as long as you don't have the full number. For example, if I add another one, sorry, I add a little comma. Yeah, it's four comma. It's gonna show 4 comma. But if we delete this, it's gonna be give like a blank cell here. This is another example. Now showing fraction, you could use grass and then give a slash and then use question mark. In percent, it's the same thing, but at percent, so it's like a usual crash comma crash and then add a percent. In color, to show in color, you need to name your color here blue before the number. There's a lot of color like blue, red, yellow, green, and stuff. And you could also use conditional custom numbers, so you add green color for here. This is the conditional, and then the format that you're gonna use, and then add another conditional things like yellow here if you are 0.5, and then red else. So yeah, 88% is gonna be green, and then 50% is gonna be red, and 51 gonna be yellow. Yeah, that's how it works. And if you don't give conditional, it's gonna be positive, negative, zero, and text. So yeah, if you don't have any condition and you have like four thing here, it's gonna be normal. That is the positive number. Red if it's negative, blue if it's zero, and it's gonna be text. So zero is blue, like I said. Irregular, not gonna be have any color. Red if it's gonna be a minus, and then text like this gonna be yellow. And then currency, you add currency that you want to use, and then add the number you want. And you could edit this thing if the currency use thing like this. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for how to use custom number in Excel. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.